Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if something or someone might be watching us back? In mid-2025, astronomers detected a strange visitor entering our solar system. They named it 3I/ATLAS, the third interstellar object ever discovered, after Oumuamua in 2017 and 2I/Borisov in 2019. At first, it looked like an ordinary comet, but soon it began to defy expectations.
3I Atlas was first spotted in July 2025 by the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, Atlas telescope in Chile. Early analysis showed it was moving at unusually high velocity, over 50 kilometers per second relative to the Sun. Its trajectory was hyperbolic, meaning it came from outside our solar system and would never return. That alone made it extraordinary. Only 2 such objects had ever been observed before.
Spectroscopic data revealed 3I Atlas was rich in carbon compounds and nickel-based materials, but strangely low in iron, unusual for known comets. Its color and albedo also varied erratically. Sometimes it brightened dramatically. Other times, it seemed to fade completely. Astronomers debated why. Some suggested volatile jets or tumbling motion. Others proposed that sunlight was interacting with metallic dust, perhaps nickel grains reflecting light in unexpected ways.
Among those intrigued was Dr. Avi Loeb of Harvard University, known for suggesting that Oumuamua could be an artificial probe. Loeb and his team noted that 3I/ATLAS shared a few odd traits. Its brightness variations didn't match known comet behavior, and its trajectory appeared unusually aligned with the ecliptic plane where most planets orbit. "It's not proof of technology," Loeb said in an interview, "but it's worth studying carefully. Nature doesn't always play by simple rules."
By October 18th, observations from the Gemini South Telescope detected metallic spectral lines, nickel, magnesium, and traces of cyanide gas. These emissions aren't impossible in natural comets, but the ratios were strange. Some speculated the metals might be part of dense mineral grains. Others called it an instrument calibration artifact. Still, the anomaly fueled speculation. Could 3I Atlas be something more than a comet? A fragment of an exoplanet? A remnant of ancient interstellar debris? Or, as a few dared to ask, something designed?
As 3I Atlas approached the Sun in late October 2025, telescopes temporarily lost contact, blocked by solar glare. This blackout was expected, but when it reappeared, something odd was noticed. Its coma, the cloud of gas and dust surrounding it, seemed to form an anti-tail, pointing toward the Sun instead of away. Such phenomena can occur when solar radiation and orbital geometry interact in specific ways, but it remains visually striking, almost unnatural to the eye.
Infrared readings showed metal-rich gases streaming both away from and toward the Sun. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory confirmed the object's trajectory remained hyperbolic, meaning it wasn't captured by the Sun's gravity. It would continue back into interstellar space by early 2026. No solid evidence of artificial origin was ever found, but its properties continued to challenge classification. Some astronomers proposed that 3I Atlas might be a fragment of a tidally disrupted exoplanet, flung into space eons ago. Its metal composition and unusual outgassing could fit that scenario.
Around this time, amateur radio astronomers began reporting brief, unexplained bursts at deep space communication frequencies. Experts cautioned that these were likely terrestrial interference, satellites, ionospheric reflection, or equipment noise. Still, the timing, coinciding with 3I Atlas's closest approach, captured public imagination. Online forums buzzed with talk of coded signals and repeating patterns. NASA publicly stated that no verified radio transmission was associated with 3I Atlas.
By early November, 3I Atlas began fading, as it receded from the Sun. Infrared telescopes tracked residual heat and dust for several weeks before it disappeared from view entirely, headed toward the outer solar system. The last observations confirmed it remained intact, with a stable spin period of about 11 hours, typical of small cometary bodies. No further anomalies were detected.
The encounter reignited debate about interstellar probes, exotechnological debris, and the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. If Oumuamua taught astronomers that interstellar objects exist, 3I Atlas proved they might be more common than we thought, and more complex. By studying them, scientists hope to understand how material from distant stars travels between systems, and maybe, one day, find signs of something more. As Dr. Loeb put it, we shouldn't dismiss the possibility that the universe is trying to communicate, even if the message is written in the language of physics.
So on October 29th, as 3I Atlas swept past the Sun and back into the deep, silent dark, it left us with more questions than answers. Was it simply a relic of cosmic history or a messenger from afar? For now, we only know this: the sky is full of travelers, and sometimes they remind us we're not the only ones watching.